now? Is it working? They fixed the problem?
One of those are cool in there.
So this is Sanniquellie on Friday, December 6th. Sanniquellie Main Street. I guess these are the Baptist students drilling. So what street is this, Uncle Jeremiah? What street is this? Who? Copper Street? Oh. So those of you who are from Sanniquellie and know Sanniquellie well, this is Copper Street. So we came here this morning to work on our car tire. Our tire has been kind of giving us problem. So I guess they figured out what the problem is. They were able to patch the hole.
Cheapest tire.
That what?
Cheapest.
Cheapest tire?
Yeah, no.
Oh.
Cheap in it.
Oh.
Made cheap.
Okay. So what you did, you plug? What you did, you plug the hole? Okay. So that nail got in it?
They already, I don't know who did it. They already, it has a hole and they see.
So we on Copper Street. We're driving down Copper Street. Sanniquellie. Let's go straight in there. I think there's a road over there to turn.
They've never been in it for long.
But I thought they said they patched it.
Yeah, the passion. But it's tubeless, now what happened?
It's what?
No tube in it. It's tubeless tire.
Mm.
Yeah, but all the tires we're using is tubeless.
Okay, you can turn here. Yeah, that Uncle Jeremiah place back there. So what the other street called now? The street we're on. Yeah. That quarter. Is this floor building here? The building we passing by? Yeah, that area we came last night to. So this is Sanniquellie Main Street. So my husband and my uncle going to go change some money for us, US to LD. And then from here we're gonna be heading back to Ganta. So what a changing rate? What's the rate they're giving us? 175. Sorry.
175 times 50.
Yeah.
8,800.
8,800. They're selling some fresh oranges across there. We are driving down Sanniquellie Main Street now. Got the students in front of us. So what are they doing here now?
Go down?
Yeah, we were gonna go down there to
Turn around.
yeah, to turn. Turning back around. Honey, be careful. Be looking behind you because these people just be popping up. That's the new mosque built here in Sanniquellie. So they're just going around in the communities and selling it? Yeah, honey, we can get it. Oh, okay, they brought it from there. What ball? No, Uncle Jeremiah did. Hold on. Tip. You want it to tip me? I wonder if Christina home now. Go back. Because I think it's after. Yeah, it's after 10. It's 10:35. What Uncle Jeremiah say? He asking for a short copy.
I don't want to ask you.